wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best crimpers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Cooler Guys HT225D are a full-cycle ratchet pair that are rated for American wire gauge 18 or higher. While they are compatible with interchangeable die sets, they don't come with any extras, but the included one has a useful range. These provide consistent crimps, and the die is made of a sturdy steel alloy. However, they don't come with any directions. At number 9, the Irwin Tools Vice Grip work with insulated and non-insulated connections and terminals, and their ProTouch handles have a thick rubber coating to provide comfort and help combat hand fatigue. They also double as wire cutters. They're made from nickel chromium steel and weigh just over 5 ounces, but the snips at the end aren't very sharp. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the budget-friendly Channel Lock 909 are a basic option with a sleek nose that's capable of reaching into tight places. The high carbon steel construction and laser heat-treated edges make these a durable and reliable tool. They come with Blue Comfort grips, however they're not ideal for insulated terminals, and they're a bit heavy for frequent use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for crimpers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the ScienceTech AWG23-10 are lightweight and less than 7 inches long to allow for extended use without causing user fatigue, but are still robust enough for heavy-duty jobs. Conveniently, they can be adjusted for tighter crimping with the use of less pressure. They're designed for cable end sleeves and create perfect square crimps, but they do slide off smaller wire gauges. Moving up our list to number 6, the Klein Tools All-in-One are a ratcheting model that also cut and strip twisted and modular connectors. They're made from durable steel finished in black oxide, so should never rust or corrode, and are equipped with a ratchet release and a blade guard for safety. These are ideal for voice and data lines and sport bright grips that are easy to spot in a toolbox. However, the handles are a bit too wide for some. Halfway up our list at number 5. The iWis Hexagonal are designed for quick and easy end-sleeve ferrules as they self-adjust to the required size, making them great for those who have a lot of work to get through in a day. Their gripping force transfers evenly to all sections of the terminal. They come with 6 serrated surfaces and are precisely calibrated, but they're too bulky for smaller hands. At number 4, the Engineer Pad 11 are ultra-precise and meant for use on open barrel connectors. They feature a patent-pending interchangeable die system for an expanded choice of widths, which are easily changed with the included Allen key wrench. They sport ergonomic cutouts on the handles and a tether strap hole. However, they come with only one die set. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Knipex linemen feature a high-leverage design that requires less effort than most models, so they're good for people without a lot of hand strength. The cross-hatched serrated gripping zone provides a secure hold even when pulling. These are equipped with a universal mandrel crimping point, a cable puller in the joint gap, and induction-hardened cutting edges. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for crimpers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Titan Tools 11950 have a ratcheting mechanism that offers an adjustable pressure to ensure you never accidentally break a wire. Both versatile and sturdy, they're designed with a quick-change jaw and come with 6 interchangeable dies. These are good for a wide range of applications and include a built-in safety release and a hard storage case. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Thomas & Betts TBM 45S are the industry standard for professionals and are capable of providing reliable results for a lifetime. They deliver a good smooth crimp thanks to a lot of leverage and feature a rotating die wheel with color-coded nests. These are light enough for one-handed use and work with copper and aluminum lugs. They create a diamond-style crimp. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for crimpers, or simply click beneath this video.